3, 4. So this is what we have. So I'm adding some sugar. This is I'm adding five spoons of sugar. 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll be adding this. This is a quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. So I'll be breaking this egg, just 1 egg for it, to unleaven the bread. Egg helps to unleaven the bread. And that's it. 1 egg. We give it a turn. We turn the ingredients together. This is what we have. We just give it a turn. So what we're doing in this class is how to make simple bread. So I'm adding the yeast. This is 1 spoon of yeast. The first spoon for 5 cups. I'm doing like 1.5 spoons of yeast. For this measurement size, I use 1.5. You make sure your yeast is good. This particular yeast I'm using, I'm confident in it. That's why I don't need to prove it. But if you're not sure of your yeast, make sure you prove it first. You proof it first by adding lukewarm water and sugar. Then you add your yeast. After a while, it should bubble. This is a very good yeast, so I don't need to prove it. Give it a turn again. It goes around. So in this bread making, we're going to be doing everything manually. I'm pretending like I don't have the equipment, like big mixers. I'll be using my hand to do it. Then I'll be adding 1 cup of lukewarm water. And then I turn. I use my hands and turn. Using my hands to knead it, to turn it, it helps me know when I need to add more water. So I need to add more water. I add another water. Just gradual. You add water gradually, so you end up not having a very watery dough. And it depends on the kind of bread you're making. Some types of bread need so much water, but this one we do not need so much water. We don't need it to be so soggy. I'll be adding more water again because it's still tough. It's still very tough. I need it to be kneadable. more water, and then I need done this kneading for like 3 minutes. I'll be adding some vegetable oil to it now. I'll be adding some drops of vegetable oil. I've been kneading it for like 10 minutes. I think it's ready. If I stretch it, it doesn't easily cut. So this is what we have now. I'm adding some vegetable oil now. Rub it on it. So we cover it and let it rise for 1 hour. It's 1 hour now, and we're taking this off. Guys, look, it has doubled in size. And how you know it's okay? Look, the wrap has no sticky dough on it. The wrap is so clean, guys. Look at the wrap. So I'm gonna punch it down. Yeah. Punch it down. Right now we're going to start molding it to my desired shape. If you have a baking pan, whatever shape you want it to be, this is the time to mold it into that shape. So I'm going to be taking some of it. First I knead it all through. And then I take some of it. I'm going to be taking this size. I'll be taking this size. We spray some flour on the surface. And then we get our dough. This is the size I'm going for. And then I knead, or rather, sorry, I roll it. I roll it. I just want it flat. So I just give it a little flattening. So this is the size and shape I want this bread to be like. So that's it. I'll keep rolling all the dough I have to this shape. The second one here. We just apply, or rather sprinkle, some flour to prevent it from being too sticky on the rolling pin or on the surface. So here you have it. This is what we have now. This is what we have now. So I'm gonna be covering this. I have to cover this. I love to use nylons or anything of this texture to cover my dough because it helps the dough retain moisture. I noticed if I use just towel, it dries it off. It dries it out a little, but with this nylon, it will still do its job to rise and at the same time retain some moisture. So we have to cover this for, I'll do this for 20 minutes because of the size of the dough, or rather the shape of this dough, quite little. So I'll just cover it for 15 to 20 minutes, let's say 20 minutes before I take it to the oven. After 10 minutes, I start heating up my oven where I'll bake this bread for 15 minutes. Guys, look. So after the second rise, it has doubled in size a bit. So I take it to the oven and bake it for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, the bread is ready. I just apply some vegetable oil. You can apply melted butter as well, but I'll be applying vegetable oil to this. While it is hot, the bread is still hot, like it's fresh from oven. You could just, add some oil to it. This oil also prevents the bread from cracking. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Maybe you should just have a look at the inside. So I'll be slicing up this one. So we have a look at the inside. Guys, look. Ooh. And it's still hot, or will I say warm now? It's actually very lovely. Lovely bread. It's still hot. It's best served when it has calmed down a bit. It's still very hot. So look at it. Lovely. So guys, thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, guys, and watch out for more master classes or vlogs. Anyone. I also do shorts. So guys, check out my shorts. You can learn more. You can feel entertained. Just get relaxed. But guys, please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thank you all so much. Till next time, guys.